Hello all and welcome to this channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about how much protein do you need and what is a protein diet for weight loss. The amount of protein an individual needs depends on their age and sex. However, most adults on a 2000 calorie diet require 50 grams of protein daily. Protein is a part of every cell in the body and a major component of the skin, muscles, bones, organs, hair, and nails. It helps the body build and repair cells and tissues. How much protein do you need? As a general target, the Food and Drug Administration recommends that adults consume 50 grams of protein per day as a part of 2000 calorie diet. However, a person's daily target may be higher or lower depending on their calorie intake. The recommended daily amounts for protein by sex and age group is as follows. For children of age 1 to 3, protein is required 13 grams. For children of age 4 to 8, 19 grams. For children 9 to 13, 34 grams. Females of age 14 to 18, 34 grams of protein. Males of age 14 to 18, 52 grams. Female adult of age 19 or above, 46 grams of protein. Male adults of age 19 or above, 56 grams of protein. Many factors can affect how much protein a person needs, including their activity level, weight, height, and whether they are pregnant. Other variables include the proportion of amino acids available in specific protein foods and the digestibility of individual amino acids. So, how many calories are in protein? Protein is a source of calories. Generally, protein and carbohydrates contain 4 calories per gram, while fats contain 9 calories per gram. So now, what is protein? Protein is one of the three macronutrients which the body needs in larger amounts. The other two are fats and carbohydrates. Protein consists of long chains of amino acids. There are 20 amino acids. The specific order of amino acids determines the structure and function of each protein. 9 essential amino acids do not experience synthesis in the human body, so they must come from the diet. Proteins may be complete or incomplete. Complete proteins contain all essential amino acids. Animal products, soy, and quinoa are complete proteins. Incomplete proteins are proteins that do not contain all essential amino acids. Most plant foods are incomplete proteins, including beans, nuts, and grains. What does protein do in the body? Protein is present in every body cell, and an adequate protein intake is essential for keeping the muscles, bones, and tissues healthy. Protein plays a role in many bodily processes, including blood clotting, fluid balance, immune system responses, vision, hormones, and enzymes. Protein is essential for growth and development, especially during childhood, adolescence, and pregnancy. So, what is protein deficiency? Protein deficiency due to a low protein intake in the diet is unusual in the US. However, a lack of protein in other countries is a serious concern, especially in children. Protein deficiency can lead to malnutrition such as kwashiorkor and marasmus, which can be life-threatening. Protein deficiency can arise if a person has a health condition including an eating disorder such as anorexia nervosa, certain genetic conditions, advanced stages of cancer, and a certain health issue like irritable bowel syndrome. Furthermore, what happens when you take very low protein It actually results in weak muscle tone, edema, or swelling due to fluid retention, thin brittle hair, skin lesions. In adults, a loss of muscle mass; in children, growth deficits and hormone imbalances. So, what are the sources of protein? A healthful eating pattern includes a variety of foods containing protein. Both animal and plant foods can be excellent sources of protein. The protein foods are seafood, lean meats and poultry, eggs, legumes which include beans and peas, nuts, seeds and soy products. Dairy products like milk, cheese and yogurt also contain protein. Whole grains and vegetables contain some protein but generally less than other sources. Animal products tend to contain higher amounts of protein than plant foods. Now let's talk about most important point, which is protein and weight loss. Some diets recommend eating more protein to lose weight. Several studies and reviews show that following a high protein diet may encourage weight loss. Still, researchers need further studies to establish how to implement such a diet effectively. When increasing protein intake, it is essential to ensure that the diet still contains adequate fiber, such as fruit, vegetables, and whole grains. Replacing processed foods and sources of unhealthful fats or sugar with protein can promote a healthful diet. Before making significant changes to the diet, it is a good idea for a person to talk with their doctor about the best strategies and tips. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.